Hi there, my name is Kaylee Ravel. I'm just going to go over the Student Accessibility Services faculty portal that will be used starting this year to distribute letters of accommodation for students that are registered with Student Accessibility Services. If you do have a student registered for Student Accessibility Services and need accommodations, you're going to receive a notification letter that will tell you to log into the faculty portal. If you've never logged into the portal before, your login information is the same as your web advisor password, your email password, they all connect. So this is the landing page for the portal, and the courses tab lists the courses that you're currently registered or to be an instructor for. I'm using the summer term as an example just because I was testing in the summer and have some test courses in here. So if you have accommodation letters to view, you can check by clicking on accommodation letters. And then you'll see a list of students in your course that have letters of accommodation to review. So if you have not reviewed yet, there will be no notation at the end of the name indicating so. You can also view it from this accommodation letters tab, which lists all the courses you're an instructor in, any student that has letters of accommodation for that course, the date the letter became available to you, as well as the date you confirmed. So the date you confirmed is achieved by clicking on View Letter, clicking Review PDF Letter, reviewing the letter of accommodation once it's downloaded, making notes on any time accommodations or anything you'll need to set up. Once you've done so, you can acknowledge that you have reviewed and received the letter and click Submit. This records the date and time that you viewed this letter. You'll only need to do that once at the beginning of the term. After it's done once, it will record it in the table so that you don't need to keep track of whether or not you have actually read that letter yet. If there's any missing or if you get a new one, it will be blank, so you'll know that that's something you haven't read yet. If you have any, if you've taught for a while, you're going to have a lot of courses potentially in the terms listed here, so just make sure you're in the current term. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to sas@nipissing.ca. It's available in an email just down here at the bottom of the portal. We'd be more than happy to help you with this. We hope that this goes smoothly. The instructors are all noted through the data sync from the registrar's office. So if there's any cleaning up we need to do with instructors, just notify us and we'll do our best to do so as quickly as possible. Wishing you all the best. Take care.